Question number 15. In an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on the side BC such that BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. Prove that 9 AD square is equal to 7 AB square. So, what is the given triangle? It is an equilateral triangle. You know equilateral triangle. What are the properties once again? All the sides equal, all the angles equal, each angle 60 degree. There are 3 altitudes and there are 3 medians, everything same. Altitudes and medians are the same line segment. So these are the properties of equilateral triangle. So in equilateral triangle ABC, what is given? D is a point on the side BC such that BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. This is the condition given. BD, this much length is 1 by 3 BC means this. 3 times we can keep like this, then we will get to BC. That is the meaning. BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. Question is, prove that. So given, you have to write by reading the question. To prove, what we have to prove? 9 AD square. 9 AD square is equal to 7 AB square. So AD you have to join. 9 AD square is equal to 7 AB square. So AD naturally we have to join. Now this is square form means we have to apply Pythagoras theorem, but in that particular triangle there is no right triangle, isn't it? In an equilateral triangle this is 60 degree. This is, you see, less than 90. So no 90 degree angle. So you have to do the extra construction, that is draw the altitude AE. What you have to do? Draw altitude AE. What is meant by altitude? It is perpendicular drawing from one vertex to the opposite side. But in the case of equilateral triangle, that altitude is same as median. Okay. So altitude AE is same as median AE in the case of equilateral triangle. So altitude means naturally angle E is 90. Median means E is the midpoint also. So that two things you keep in mind. Now this angle is 90 means this is also 90. Now so many right triangles are there. Okay. So we can take A, E, B, it is a right triangle. A, E, D, it is a right triangle. A, E, C, it is also a right triangle. But we want the word AD. AD term we want. So for getting that AD, see, AD is the hypotenuse of this particular triangle. So, proof we are starting. Consider a right triangle ADE. Understood? Since the answer contains this particular term, we are starting from there. So, in that triangle, AD square is equal to AE square plus DE square. Understood? In answer, no AE term, this AE term is not there in answer. So compulsory you have to remove that AE. But AB is also there in the term. So now we can take right triangle ABE. There you will get AB square is equal to AE square plus BE square. Okay. Now you see this AE square we have to eliminate. Eliminate means subtraction we have to do. What you will get? AD square minus AB square. This we can cancel. DE square minus BE square. So AD square term is there in the answer. AB square term is also in the answer. These two terms are not there, but we can apply these two parts here. Okay. Now you see DE. What is DE? It is BE minus BD. See the figure? DE is equal to BE minus BD. Now, what is BE? It is half of BC. Isn't it? Y median. AE is the median. Minus, what is BD? 1 by 3 BC, that is given. Now we are taking the LCM. LCM is 6. Here you will get 3 BC minus 2 BC is equal to 1 BC by 6. 1 BC by 6. So now here we are going to apply DE place BC by 6 whole square minus BE. We already written. What is that? Half BC whole square. Half BC whole square. So AD square minus AB square is equal to BC square by 36 minus BC square by 4. LCM 36. You will get BC square minus 9 BC square. So what you are getting? BC square minus 9 BC square is minus 8 BC square by 36 you got. So AD square minus AB square is equal to, now you see, since it is an equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. AB equal to BC equal to AC. So instead of BC square, we can write AB square. Understood? So minus 8 AB square by 36. Okay? Now cross multiplying, we will get 36 AD square minus 36 AB square is equal to minus 8 AB square. Now take other side. 36 AD square is equal to minus 36 going other side means 36 AB square minus 8 AB square. So what we are getting is 36 AD square is equal to 36 minus 8 is 28 AB square. 36 and 28 we can cancel with 4. But you will get 9 AD square. Here you will get 7 AB square. Okay. So 14th question and 15th question, what we did? Only substitution method. So this you have to write in the working column. So only we are doing substitution method for getting the answer. Apply Pythagoras theorem, then substitute and simplify, we will get the answer.